Hello and welcome to another one of our DIY product review videos, and in today's video we're going to look at the Quest Basin mixer, and it's made by a company called Bristan. We purchased this from Screwfix. If you're thinking about buying this, then we'll tell you what you get in the box and what it looks like on a sink, so hopefully that helps. What do you get with it? Well, you get the Basin mixer, obviously, you get the clicker waste, you actually get all of that, which is quite nice. You get a fixing kit, which we'll talk more about in a minute, and obviously you get the fitting instructions, which is that piece of paper. You get these pipes included that screw in the bottom. Min operating pressure is 0.2 bar, that shouldn't be a problem. And you can get the matching shower set available, so if you did want your wee bathroom to match, then crack on.
So the fixing kit you get goes underneath the sink, and it's a bit like a horseshoe, and it has a bolt.
Lighting's awful. That's better. I think that's better.
This is called a mono tap because it has these screw in the bottom of your tap. These came with it. You need to put these onto copper pipes. But what we did, and I always do with these taps, I used flexi pipes.
Flexi, good old flexi hoses.
So flexi hoses in here, you can see at the moment where so they're there, and they just run up to the tap up there.
I don't know if you can see that, but there they are. There,
so
just run up.
Isolation valves, etc. And we just tidy the back up, etc. Just a bit of a tidy up. So hot is always on the left, cold is always on the right. Just remember that. And so what does it run like?
So if you are thinking about buying this, you're going to know what does it perform like. Well, let's give it a try.
What sort of power has this tap got? So that's in the middle. Obviously it depends on the water pressure.
Yeah, obviously it depends on your water pressure. So the operation's really smooth. And it just twists to the left and the right.
It talks about a quarter turn. The thing with this tap as well, it's got a ceramic washer in it. That means it doesn't have a rubber washer, so it's going to last a lot longer. So if you're looking for a tap low maintenance, try and get one with a ceramic washer, and you pay a bit more. And what I've noticed when you're buying taps which are a little bit more, say 20 quid more than the comparative brand, your waste tends to be a lot better. And let me just show you something that's different with this waste. As boring as it is
well, the waste is included with the tap, so this might be of interest if you're looking at buying it.
A lot of the wastes, you can just see the thread there, hopefully, are plastic. This is brass and has a brass nut base, that's what I'm trying to say to you, and brass thread, so it's a lot more robust and it lasts a lot longer. Anyway, if you're looking for a Basin tap, I think this was on offer. I think it was about £60. The chrome finish is really nice, if I'm honest, and you just tell it's a quality tap. It'll last you forever. That I mean, the chrome finish is that good.
It's got no scratches on it or anything like
that. Well, it's a mirror finish.
Yeah,
I mean, you could clean your teeth in it, to be honest, so, or have a shave in it.
What I mean by scratches is we have bought chrome things before, and brand new out of the box they've got a little bit of a chink, a little bit of a scratch. So if you do buy chrome bits, it's worth checking before you leave the store. But fortunately with this one, there is no problems with it at all.
What I would say to you, if you're buying what you think is a bargain tap, you tend to find that the chrome, how it's been put on plated, simply starts coming off the bottom and everything. So it is better to buy a better tap if you can afford to do that. Comes with instructions.
So look at the instructions. So as you can see, this is a schematic and of how it fits together and what's included.
There's the horseshoe fittings I was talking about though.
That's the under it. That ring there below the tap is that thing, and it's got a rubber seal on the bottom of it. And obviously the clicker waste is that one. Yeah, what more can we say about it?
The only other thing that I did notice and I thought was is always a sign of quality, apart from being well packaged, is it did have a helpline number there.
Yes, if you're a little bit unsure. It has got a thing on the end of the tap, hasn't it?
Like an aerator,
yeah. Like an aerator.
That stops you, I'm not going to turn it on your phone, stops you burning your hands if the water's too hot, and saves you a bit of water apparently. So if this has helped you to decide on buying a basin tap,
Bristan Quest Basin mixer tap.
we've used them before, good quality.
I would use them again as well.
So if this has helped you along a little bit, it'd be nice if you could help us along a little bit and subscribe to our channel, please. Thank you.
Thanks very much for watching.